Hello everyone, here is Jack. Today I will introduce this small investment potato chips production line for you. And for this line, it is including 6 machines: potato washing and peeling cutting machine, blanch machine, dewater machine, frying machine, the oil machine, and the frying machine. And it's a small potato chips production line. It should for you to start a small investment. Let me tell you how it works. This machine is potato washing, peeling, and cutting machine. It can wash and peel the potatoes, and after washed and peeled and it will into this device. This is the slicing device to slice the potato to chips. Thickness from 1 mm to 6 mm. It is adjustable, and this machine is blanch machine. It will blanch the potato chips into the hot water around 70 to 80 degrees C for maybe 1 minute to make the finished product beautiful. And this machine is a dewater machine. After freeing, there will be some water on the surface of the potato chips. We use this machine. You can remove the water. To the next step, when frying, it will be more safe. And here is our frying machine. The temperature is adjustable, but you command you set the temperature at 170 degrees C and fry the potato chips for 45 seconds to 1 minute. And later, this is the oil machine. It is to remove the oil on the surface of the potatoes. And you can also get the cooking oil here to reuse it to serving the coast. And the last step is this frying machine, and you can put the frying potato chips into this machine and spray some spice powder and so on. And this machine can mix the spice with the potato chips, and it can cool the potato chips down very soon to make it more crispy. Okay, so we have the potato chips right now, and all machines are connected. We have cooking oil as well. If you are looking, if you are interested in this production line, you can see our next video. Okay, see you later.